Hi, this is Dan Brunner, District Director with Fathom Realty here in Austin. There's lots of discussion on social media and the news outlets about the impact of interest rates and inflation on the market. So let's take a look at the data to answer this question. The Austin Board of Realtors released their May market report, and this report includes all residential property activity in the Austin Round Rock Metropolitan Statistical Area, the 5-county metro area. I prefer to use the 5-trend data as it illustrates trends much better than year-over-year reports. This infographic from the Austin Board of Realtors shows the year-over-year comparison of the metrics. The 19% increase in the median sales price, the 146% increase in active listings seems significant. But let's remember May 2022 is being compared to the unprecedented activity during the pandemic. The 5-year trend shows a different perspective. The May 22 residential home sales decreased 6% compared to May 2021, but this is very consistent with the sales in 2017, 2018, and 2019. Here we see the sales trend up each May before peaking in June or July. Active listing increases look huge compared to May 2021, but they are still just over half the 7,700 average active listings in May of 2017, 2018, and 2019. We've been below 2 months of inventory since June of 2020. And the last time we saw the balanced market of 6 months of inventory was back in August of 2011. The month of inventory historically increases each May, peaking in July or August, before the decline in the fall and the bottoming out in January. Compared to May of 2021, months of inventory almost doubled in May of 2022, but is still half of what we saw in the years 2012 to 2019. Days on market historically trend down each May until bottoming out in July or August. If we're headed to the pre-pandemic normal, days of market around 50 days would become average again. The seasonal trend in pricing are less obvious. Sales prices typically peak each May and June, and we were flat for the last 2 months at the record $550,000 for median sales price. The list price to sales price ratio peaks each May and June. The list price to sales price ratio peaked in April of 2021 at 110% and then dropped back down to 100% last November. If we're returning to pre-pandemic normal, the list price to sales price ratio should go back to the 97-98% average. The May report from the Austin Board of Realtors is already more than 2 weeks old. Many real estate insiders believe the market is shifting rapidly, so it's important to look at the daily activity. Here we see new listings are trending up since March, as is the expected historical trend. Pending listings are the big story here. We should expect to see sales peak in June and July, but pending listings are on a rapid decline. With the typical 30-day contract to close, the June and July sales numbers should reflect this decline. Price reductions have more than tripled since August 15th. As pending listings decrease and active listings are sitting on the market longer, sellers and listing agents are learning that the days of overpriced listings are on the way out. So in summary, as the 5-year trend illustrates, data indicates the market is calming as typical seasonality returns. This slight increase in inventory and active listings point to the market beginning to normalize. The sales decline appears to be more likely a supply issue. I won't make any predictions for where the market is heading, but it does appear that we're headed to the pre-pandemic market. So thanks for watching. If you found this perspective to be helpful, please like and share so others can find these reports. If you need any help with your real estate needs, please feel free to contact me. Thanks. Bye now.